Firewire started in late 2005, and a very talented board builder in Western Australia came up with a different way of building a modern surfboard.
Firewire Surfboards encompasses a family of brands: Slater Designs, Tomo Surfboards, Rob Machado Surfboards, a surfboard designer named Dan Mann.
We faced a lot of challenges. We were introducing a disruptive technology to the market, so we were up against the entrenched traditional manufacturers.
As a company that prides itself on being on the forefront of surfboard technology, it's great to have an ERP solution that also follows that same ethos.
I think that to disrupt an industry is exciting in the sense that you can create a new way to do things. In our case, the way that we build surfboards and the way that that makes them feel while you're surfing. In Acumatica's case, that could be creating an easier workflow for someone from the C-suite all the way down to an hourly wage employee.
So prior to adopting Acumatica, we operated a number of different ERP platforms around the world. We didn't have real-time visibility into different markets and how different divisions were performing around the world.
We span 4 continents, 4 time zones, 6 entities. Finding a cloud-based solution was heavily important to us. Acumatica has given us real-time visibility into the sales and inventory levels of our operations around the globe.
We're all on the same page across US, Australia, Portugal, UK, Thailand, and everywhere in between.
Without a doubt, Acumatica was the perfect fit for Firewire Surfboards because it is a global solution for a global organization to be able to deploy and have success.
Crestwood's been an extremely valuable partner to us throughout the Acumatica implementation and also support process. They're responsive, they're reliable. With their support, we were able to do a lot of the implementation ourselves.
It was so easy to onboard, it's intuitive, it's easy to drill into things and link between modules, and there's such a good flow between everything you do.
One element that we've been extremely excited about is a partnership that we did along with Big Commerce and a company in Australia called Matter Design, which was able to pull these stock items from Acumatica all the way to the product pages of our website.
I've seen how Acumatica has saved time. I've seen how it's improved people's workflows. I've seen how it's made people happier.
It makes working easier. I mean, whether you're in the office or out.
Acumatica has given us the ability to scale our business and keep up with an ever-evolving market space.
So to have this global platform and everyone on the same page, and to have that granular visibility into what's going on in the business has been a sea change for us. And if you talk to our sales guys around the world, I mean, they're just over the moon with the integration.